Everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to go over a Kickstarter deck that I received, that I backed. I believe it was last year sometime, and it came with this purple little pouch, which is very cute, and it has purple on the inside. Very nice. But yeah, so this is the Creatures Tarot. It did come with a thank you card, and there's her website, Sarah Kathleen. And then you get a little print with another thank you for supporting her. And here's all her her tags and her socials. Yeah. So this was cool. I wanted to back this because I like the Mons Tarot, but I had a big ordeal with that deck trying to get it to me, and it just never worked out, so I don't have that deck. But I like the idea of a different set of individuals, I guess, like a monster type world. So I thought I would go and try this deck because I thought it was really cute, and I love the colors with just like the black outlines. I was attracted to that. So so here is a little book that it comes with. You get a bit of information about like from Sarah, and then it goes right into meanings. So they're very short meanings, like the Magician: deciding what you want, having the tools you need, and consciously making that things happen. Minor Arcana have just keywords, I guess, like Two of Cups, partnership, exchange, connection. Yeah. So the majors get a bit more information. Oh, and there's 2 bonus cards: journey, our personal journey through a situation, our life path, the ups and downs of everything, and belief, deep confidence in what our heart and mind tell us, personal convictions, having faith in something. Yeah. So when I opened this, the deck wasn't in order. I haven't really looked through it. I did get the extra Major Arcana, so I'll take those out right now. Yeah, so when I backed this, I ordered, you could have a chance to get her extra Major Arcana cards, so I'll show those at the end of this. But yeah, so I will go through these really quick, and I'll show you what they look like. Which are so pretty to me. They're pink with black. Yep, I love it. So I'll go through these cards real quick so you can see them. And like I said, they aren't in any order. I think that's how they were packaged and sent. They didn't have any like thing around them, so, but I don't think anyone flipped through them before it was sent to me, so I think it was just how it was packaged. But yeah, so I'm going to show you the Major Arcana side by side and tell me which one you like from each. From the original, which will be on the left, or the extra Arcana that she did on the right. So there is the Fool. With the colors, they're both beautiful. I like this one, I think, a little bit better. But I mean, the sunset with the pink orange, like, that's just beautiful too. But I think I would go with this one. So let me know. This is the right side is the extra cards, and this one is the original. So, it's hard to say. I think I like the purple one the best. But yeah, like, I think it's just pretty. And then we have like some arms as above, so below. Yeah, I think I prefer this one, but this one is still great. So the High Priestess. This one is original, extra. I love this one. I don't know. I feel like I see myself more in this card, and I love how close the moon is, and yeah, I love the green and the blue. But as you can see, they're both beautiful. But yeah, let me know which ones you like better out of the pairs. So the Empress. Again, I think I have to go with this one because like all the colors and the flowers and the sky and like the little kind of like bow in her hair. But I love like the deep blue, like the kind of like the mystery that would be with like the deep blues here too. But yeah, I am just attracted to more like bright colors, so I like that one. So far it seems like I like all of the extra cards, but we'll see. So it's hard to like, I love like the purple and blue color on this, but I'm drawn more to this one. Yeah, I think I'd go with this one. So, the Hierophant. This one's cool. Like, I like this one because it's like, you know, a wise owl. But this one, I guess, is a bit more traditional with like someone who is older, wise, kind of like showing the way to someone who's not necessarily younger, but maybe just like who wants to learn the way, I guess. And the little light shining through. I don't know, I like them both equally. I see. I guess I'll go with this one though. The Lovers. I just love this one. Like, it's like they're plotting together to do something wild, and it's just they're in it together. Like, it's a choice they're gonna make, but it's gonna be from the help of each other. And I love like the purple sky and the, yeah, this one is beautiful as well, but I get a little more feelings from this. The Chariot. Oh my god, I love these both. Like if you can see in this one, the little one's riding like a wasp, maybe, type thing. And I love the bright yellow with the, I don't know, but I love this, like a snail is the chariot of choice here. Could symbolize like slow but steady wins the race. I don't know. This one I feel like is a tie. I actually really like them both. This one is a faster means of transportation, I guess. So, I mean, I could keep both of them in the deck, and it could tell me, like, if this one comes up, maybe, you know, proceed, but it's going to be a bit slower than what you think. And this one would, you know, it's the typical fast information, or chariot, or progress. Yeah, I don't know. I like them both. Strength. Again, like, I love the colors on this. Like, this is, my eye goes here automatically. But I love how there's a cane here, and she's like not letting a bit of immobility hold her back. And I love that kind of mindset in strength, that, you know, the whole cliche, like, if you put your mind to it, you can do it. So I'd probably keep both in, because, yeah, there's value in both. Well, to be honest, I'm going to keep them all in, but I'm just for fun, like, going through it, but I love them both. The Hermit. Okay. Again, very similar. I think I like this one better, because, I don't know, it gives more hermit vibes, that, you know, he's peeking through, making sure there's a safe space there before he moves on his journey to self-awareness, because we all need that security, so here and there. But I don't know, if we're talking about like where my eyes go, it's this one. But yeah, let me know which one is your favorite. The Wheel. I mean, the Wheel to me is never a fun card. It's very often that I am excited over this card, but I will have to say I probably geared towards this one, just because of like the mood and the symbols. But yeah, this one's cute as well. Justice. This one's interesting because this one is at nighttime. This one looks to be at daytime, and this one is like fully aware, while this one is blindfolded. Yeah. So they both can offer different messages. You know, yeah, I like them both. The Hanged Man. Okay, so here's where my eyes want to go because of the beautiful sunset in the picture and the little Like the little guy, all you can see is his eyes. But I can see the different perspective here, because here he's small and the tree is big. So we have that, like that feeling that, you know, our perception is that things are too overwhelming and that we have like little control. Well, here he's big and the tree is small. So maybe we're putting more emphasis on something that actually isn't that big, or that, you know, we shouldn't be putting too much emphasis on something that's like, you know, that it's not really going to affect much of our path. So I like them both. Death. I like this one because I just love having a butterfly as death for the whole transformation thing. It's less scary for people. And I love the daisies in the bottom here, that there is growth after death. You know, whether after things happen, like they end for a reason, to have things grow as we proceed on our path. This one, I'll have to read the book because I'm not entirely sure. Like, I don't know much about mushrooms, but, or this looks like a constellation in the sky, so I'd have to look into that, but still both beautiful. Temperance. I mean, fairly similar. Very traditional Rider-Waite-Smith, but my eyes go here just because of the colors. Other than that, I mean, they're both gorgeous. The Devil. Still very similar. They're alone, so I like the thought that it's us that is causing our own restraints, right? But I guess I like the purple yellow background the best. The Tower, which is interesting. Like here, it kind of looks like, you know, it's sad, it's chaotic, but you're kind of getting rid of the dead part of your tree. Like, yes, it's broken, but it will grow back. You will, not necessarily the same, but you know, from that chaos there will be some gain of knowledge, some gain of self, so on. This one, I'd have to think more about. If anyone has any idea of what this could mean, maybe it's cutting down a healthy tree. I don't know how. If anyone can help me with that one, that'd be great. Oh yeah, and I like the red one the best. The Star. Oh man. This one I think is equal, because I love how the sea creature is coming out and the star is right there, it's evident. The hope is just so present. This one, it's a bit more daytime. Kind of looks like my card's dirty, but no, okay, it must be splats. But the beautiful scenery, like, it also just signifies, you know, like working towards your dreams and hope, and like the beautiful scenery. Yeah, like I really like them both. The moon. To me, I love I like how he's on the moon in this card. And this one, it's more so in the clouds. So it could kind of symbolize like dream work. But I don't know which one I like better. I kind of like them both equal because they're both very different. But I probably, visually, I would say this one. The sun. This one's kind of interesting because it's the sun at night and then the sun during the day. And the colors of the creatures are different. So maybe it's just different perspectives, obviously, here. But since they don't have mouths, you can't really see like their facial expressions, but I guess they look happy under the sun. I have to go with this card though, because it's just more traditional. And I'm not sure, like, is that part of... Okay. Judgment. Okay. I love this card. So they're both visually beautiful. This one's a bit more traditional, but this one, oh, it's the self-judgment, right? Like looking back and looking at how we perceive ourselves and how we can be harsh on ourselves. I just love like bring it closer. See the little self. And kind of like stepping back and seeing yourself from the outside. And that's where transformation can begin. And be like, wow, I didn't realize I was doing that. Or, yeah, I just love that. Last one is the world. I love how much more, like, how clean this looks. It kind of looks like, you know, a plant can grow even in the littlest amount of light. That kind of like, we're always going to continue to grow, even if we realize it or not. I don't know, they're both equally beautiful. And I guess this one kind of shows like it starts with the roots, then whatever that might be, an acorn, I don't know, and then a tree sprouts from that. So that's like the cycle of life, that we all start somewhere. Yeah, they're beautiful. So I'll show you how they shuffle. I'm going to shuffle in the other Major Arcana, because that's how I'm going to use the deck, is have them all in there. Let's see, yeah, it looks really good. People who know how to riffle shuffle probably do that very well. I can do this part, but I can never like I don't know how to hold my hands to make it go. Yeah, it ships really nice. The cardstock is actually really nice. I like it. It's not too shiny. It's like a matte finish. And it's like, they're thin, but they're not like too thin. If you understand, like, it is a nice cardstock. So I will show you what it looks like in the spread. So that is a 3-card spread, which is super beautiful, right? I'll show you a 6-card one, and then I'm just randomly picking too. It's getting quite a bit of majors. I mean, there are double the amount of majors, so. I mean, that is so pretty. I'm so excited. Like, yeah, I can't wait to work with this deck. And, I have her oracle, the Creatures Oracle. It is massive, okay? Again, there's her website, sarahkathleen.co.uk. I'm going to be doing a video on this, and in that video I'll show you what it looks like with the tarot. But yeah, so thank you guys for stopping by again and watching till the end. I really appreciate it. And always, if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe if you want to see some more stuff. Alright, thanks again, guys.